Hello guys, this is Scott with Houston Event Photography, and today I am going to be showing you step by step how to use Darkroom Core to set up a job and make print packages and some other details that you might need to know. It's a pretty simple program, so I'm going to go ahead and get it started. I use a dongle on my computer. I'll use the software keys, so if you have an option when you're buying the program, I always say get the dongle. You don't have a problem like if you get to a job and for some reason your software is corrupt and you have to reload the software. You don't have to worry about having your key or your key not working. The dongle is always going to be, in my opinion, the best choice. But you do have to make sure that you don't lose it and keep up with it. All right, so I'm going to get started. I don't have a camera connected today, so I'm just going to be going through this and showing you how to set it up and import pictures in. But if you were tethered with a camera, of course, this probably wouldn't pop up. It would just go right on and open up. I'm using the latest version 9.3. So anytime you have version 9.3 and above, you'll have all the newest features. I haven't updated this. This is February of 24. I haven't updated my software since 23, so I don't know if there's any updates, but I really hadn't been keeping up with that, so I don't need them. I'll go ahead and get started. And the first thing you do when you get to a job or before a job, you want to set up a catalog, a photo catalog. So we're going to go right up here. We're going to say, we'll close this X drive down. And if you don't know what Darkroom does, it creates a virtual drive. It will always be called Windows X. And this is where all your photos and things are actually stored on your computer. But you will only see this if you're running Darkroom with your dongle or with your software. So we'll go ahead and close that out and go into my libraries. I don't need to go to my library. I'm going to go back here. Okay, so the first thing I want to do, I'm going to go up into Photo Reflect, and you've got events and outdoor. You can put it anywhere you want to. I usually put mine in my events folder. I'm going to hit New, Photo Catalog, and you can name this anything. I'm going to just call this one Test. And you don't have to put any, if I can spell today, you don't have to put any other information in there. Just hit Finish when you're done. All right, so you've now created a catalog to where your pictures are going to go. If you look down here, you'll see there's a catalog now called Test, and it's kind of got a little gray box around it, so it tells you which catalog you're in. So you're already set up now. You're set up to start shooting. If you're tethered, when you take photos, they'll start popping up in the screen as you take them. But I don't have a camera connected, so I can't show you that. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to get photos in here. There's two ways. I can go here and say Add Photo, and it'll ask me, what photos I want to add. You can do it from here, or you can do it down here to your workshop, which is where you're going to be seeing most of the stuff today. And then I can go up here and I can say Import. So I'm just going to import some images real quick. Get a few of these green screens and get one of these golf photos and one of these from a job that I did. See what else I got in there. Santa photo. That's all we need. Just a few photos. And now that I've imported them, you'll see them over here on your left hand side. You'll see your thumbnails. And until you click on one, you won't see it on the screen here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this one. I'm going to rotate it. That's my ugly mug there. So we got a green screen image up here. So if you're capturing with your camera, every time you take a picture, they'll pop up over here. I'll show you something that's very important, a setting that you need to make. If you don't change the setting, every time you take a picture, If somebody's in here, you've got an assistant working for you trying to print, and they're getting this picture adjusted to however they want it, then you take a picture, it's going to pop up and it's going to replace this picture, and it's going to aggravate them because they're going to have to keep going back every time you take a picture and start working on it again. So I'm going to go in here and show you how to fix that real quick. Go up into your setup. You want to go into camera operations and camera settings. Should pop up, and this very bottom step right here, you want to say you want to replace the workshop picture with the new camera photo. You don't want to do that, so you hit no. All right, and I'll tell you about some of these other settings up here in another video. So that's pretty much it, getting it set up for a job. You're ready now to start taking pictures. We'll go in this second video and I'll start telling you how to add packages. All right, so we'll catch you on the next one.